Hello everybody! As you can see, it is very hot today and it's not even 10 in the morning, which finally feels like summer, which is great. So today guys, I'm going to do a very special video. I asked you like 3 weeks ago, what is your favorite dessert? And today we're gonna react and discover some of these desserts because I kind of read them a little. Some of them are unknown to me, so it's time to dig into it. Strawberry cheesecake, but I will defer to strawberry shortcake as a better choice with 0-calorie whipped cream, of course. What is a shortcake? A shortcake? Google is my friend. It's not a small one for sure. Oh yeah, it is actually. Oh, that's cute. You call that shortcake? I don't even know what we call that in French. Any flavor of ice cream. Yeah, what's your favorite ice cream flavor, guys? Personally, I think it's pistache, which I don't remember how you say in English, but that one is really great. Oh! Strawberry and orange sorbet, but I'll never turn down a good tiramisu. Oh my god, my dad is doing such amazing tiramisu. I have not met her yet. LOL. I'm laughing, but that's mean, Mary, actually. I'm laughing because I just understood what it means. Favorite dessert? Dulce de leche lava cake. What is that? Dulce de leche lava cake? Looks delicious and with a full-way crepe. You can have any flavor you want. Chocolate, strawberry, banana, caramel. Oh! Dulce de... Okay, that is what it is. We just call that fondant here. Fondant. I think. I'm not even sure about that. That looks delicious, but a little too like sugary for summer, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Sugary for summer, Mary? Nothing is too sugary for summer, Mary. Kisses from my sweetie. Oh, not gonna lie. It's a great summer dessert, let's say. My wife's chocolate eclair cake. It's so rich. Eclair. I had like a thing with eclair for like years. It's really great. Like when it's fresh from an amazing bakery or from some wine. Wow. Ice cold watermelon, the kind with seeds in it. Watermelon. I personally didn't like watermelon since like for most of my life, but recently my brother, bought some and talked to me about it as, like, oh my god, it's just so good that I think I might like it now. Sacher tort. You guys are talking about such fancy dessert. Okay. Looks amazing, but it looks like something from a wedding actually. Pie à la mousse, cause I love ice cream, lots of ice cream. Oh, it's a pie, like an apple pie or something with an ice cream on top of it. That's great. Yeah, the two of them, the crunch of the pie with like the refreshing part of the ice cream. I'm trying to have a vocabulary here, but I'm not finding them. Sounds, it sounds great. Funnel cake from the Del Mar Fair is the best and so bad for you. Funnel cake from the Del Mar Fair is the best and so bad for you. It's amazing. Yeah, I think funnel cake, I know what it is. Yeah, no, actually no. It's not at all. Oh, it's like les gaufres, une sorte de gaufre, une pâte. Ouais, je vois. Oh, that sounds great, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely something that you find in the fair, yeah. Fresh from the oven, peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream on top. Oh, it's kind of the same as the pie with the ice cream on top, but I guess this is, yeah, it's peach, so okay. Peach for summer sounds very like refreshing. Can someone save me some things? Just put my name on it. Lol. Oh yeah, it's because on my post, I think it's post, I added a picture of my mom and dad's strawberry pie, which is honestly the best of the world, to just say it. So unfortunately, I've already ate everything. not what's pictured, mostly because I'm terribly allergic to strawberries. You can be allergic to strawberries? I didn't know about that. Oh, okay. Sugar-free Jello pudding and sugar-free Cool Whip is pretty awesome though. Sounds like a very diet summer recipe, like diet, yeah, you know, like, but good for your health. Strawberry shortcake or plain cheesecake. Either one is delicious. Strawberry are really popular among you guys. Ice cream, French fries. That strawberry pie looks like a proud and beautiful French creation, not to mention delicious. Yeah. I'm very proud of my mom and dad. Where do you add the S? My mom and dad's pie? My mom and dad's strawberry pie? Key lime pie from Key West, Florida. Oh yeah, it's a lime pie. Okay, let me keep bragging out about my family. My brother's lime pie is the best. No, but seriously, he makes amazing lime pie. But wow. Yeah. I have to go with banana pudding. It's not good for you, but it's a southern thing. Okay, banana pudding. Yeah, wow. It's fancy. You have a different, you know, like level. I like that kind of thing because when you have like that behind you know, in front of you with a spoon, you can go way down and have like a lot of different flavors at once. I love that kind of stuff. Light, fluffy biscuit in a bowl with juicy sugared strawberries and the low-fat milk poured over the top. That is the best strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake is definitely the most popular thing about you guys, and I didn't even know about it. Anything involving strawberries until peaches start coming in. A cold beer. Yeah. Well, you know what? Dessert. We always think about like sweet things and all, but drinks are also a dessert. A very cold beer in a hot summer. Yeah, it's good, right? Apple pie and a beautiful woman. Yeah, well, beautiful woman for dessert, yeah, for sure. Warm homemade blueberry pie with French vanilla ice cream. What is the difference with vanilla ice cream and a French ice cream? I never read French, you know, ice cream, so okay. Rhubarb pie. I'm not too, you know, like I'm not really into rhubarb. I think you say rhubarb. On dit rhubarbe en français, ok. Mais la rhubarbe, je sais que c'est super bon pour la santé. Beaucoup de gens aiment ça, mais que c'est quelque chose que soit tu aimes, soit tu n'aimes pas. And I'm the part of people who doesn't like it, but yeah. Rainbow sherbet. Oh, what is that? Oh, this color is amazing. Okay, I didn't know about that. Wow, it's very colorful. A rainbow, okay. I love cantaloupe. Melon is cantaloupe? Didn't know. But yeah, definitely these are. What do I feel like? This isn't actually melon. I'm not sure. Okay, but yeah. Oh my god, definitely a one which is a little sugary. Didn't think about that, but yeah. Okay, so that's it for your comments, guys. Thank you so much for commenting on my post. I actually learned a lot about dessert, definitely non-French dessert or words that I didn't know about. So I'm glad that I did this video because I learned a lot, even though I kind of did not don't remember everything, but it was great. Well, if you didn't saw this post and you wanna like add your favorite one, please let it in the comments below. I'd love to know your favorite ice cream flavor because I know that, you know, I didn't know about it before, but beside vanilla, strawberry, mint, chocolate, there is actually a lot of different flavors that exist in this world, and I didn't know about it, you know, like bubble gum, that kind of stuff, and I didn't know. So if you have like a very original ice cream flavor that you really love, please let me know in the comments. Like this, I'm gonna learn something new. I hope you liked this video, guys. It was fun to do. It was interesting to learn about your favorite summer dessert. I'm definitely gonna do something similar for like the fall and the winter season. No favorite favorite meal, favorite things to eat or drink, because it's really interesting. That's when you really learn about, you know, other cultures, food, because people are used or know what they're gonna eat at certain time of the year because this is what they eat, you know. Of course, it's gonna probably be different from one country to another, so this is really interesting to get to know that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hydrate yourself well and take care of yourself. I will see you very soon for another video. Bye! Oh, I should have said, I will see you very soon for another sweet video. Bye!